Hello, welcome back to Erica's Little Welsh Garden. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is a little bit different to the type of videos that I usually do, and we are doing an unboxing of this Grow Your Own Vibrant Vegetables 21-piece grow kits. The reason that I've decided to give this little grow kit a review that I got for £2.99 from Home Bargains is because our children here in the UK have just broken up for a 2-week holiday over the Easter period, and my 9-year-old son is getting interested in growing vegetables, and I thought this would be the perfect little kit for him to have a go with some interesting types of varieties of vegetables, but also this might be something that you would want to buy for your children too, or just buy for yourself, because like I said, it's got the 6 varieties of vegetables in, and they're all really quite interesting vegetables. So if we look at the front here, it's got pictures of the vegetables that are included, and along the side it also has that. On the back here, it does tell you what is in the kit. So if we have a look, we've got beetroot rainbow mix, we've got purple carrot, vivid Swiss chard, radish blush mix, tomato tigerella, and squash Turk's turban. Now, I absolutely love growing squash. I also love growing tomatoes, and when I was looking in my seed box the other day, I didn't have enough, well, I didn't have any Swiss chard, nor any tigerella tomatoes, and with the Turk's turbans, I have grown those in the past, but they never actually fruited. So it seems like a pretty good deal to be getting all these 6 varieties of vegetables for £2.99. Also included is, as you can see there, you've got 6 pots, a little bit of compost, and a little propagator. And obviously the propagator is plastic, but because you can just use it indoors, you should be able to get a couple of years worth of use out of that. But also, if you manage to grow all of these vegetables, the carrots, the chard, the radish, the tomatoes, all of those from the supermarket do come in plastic, so it's still saving a load of plastic from the supermarkets. A couple of weeks ago, when I first saw this in the shop, I did think this would be the perfect gift for anybody that you know that grows vegetables, because it's only £2.99 and it looks like a pretty nice box. And when I was having a look at the back, it did say that for best results, it's best to grow this kit this year, because I thought that would make perfect little Christmas presents for my niece and nephew. But I'd be a little bit worried if I did buy that this season and nothing germinated next year. But when we have a look here of what is included, it says 6 sachets of seeds, 6 biodegradable plant pots, plastic propagator tray with lid, 6 blank plant markers, a bag of growing medium, and a detailed instruction booklet. So let's open the box and have a look at what it looks like inside. To be honest, if anybody wants to know the kind of gift I would like for my birthday or Christmas, this is a perfect thing. So, inside the box, let's open it now. Okay, so this is the little propagator tray, and firstly, I thought this propagator tray would actually be big enough for all of the pots to go in. And as you can see, the pots are here, and the little propagator is here, and you're only really going to be able to have 2 in each of these at each time. Here is the little booklet. And if we have a look here, it's got a detailed page on each one with sowing instructions, when to transplant, when to put outside, and it's got some tips as well. So that'd be really good for my son. He can actually read through this and look at the instructions and follow them. It's also on the back, look at this, it's got some recipes. So it's got a recipe there for crunchy rainbow root salad, roasted rainbow root veg. So pretty good little instruction book. I thought it was going to be a kind of A4 piece of paper, just printed with black and white on there. And yeah, pretty impressive little instruction book. At the bottom of the box now, we have the compost, and I thought that was going to be a little small bag, but that seems quite good. Now, I didn't check if this was peat free. because I'm completely peat free, but it doesn't say on here actually, so oops, should have checked that. But let's have a look at what is in the propagating tray. So back to this here, we have seeds at the bottom, and yeah, we've got the little not reusable, biodegradable pots there. And the plant labels, as you can see here, are paper. So they're probably not going to last very long, but they've got kind of, it's shiny on this side and not shiny on the other side. So it should last long enough for you to be able to then transplant the seedlings into a bigger pot once they've germinated. And the seeds here come in little clear plastic container, and I've never actually seen seeds in a plastic bag like this before, but this is the Turk's Turban. It's got a lot number on, but it doesn't say a date of when they were put in there. The Tigerella, actually, there's quite a lot of seeds in there, so I'm quite pleased with that. And then the carrots, there's enough seeds in the carrot that if you were making, or you were going to sow those in a bucket or something, you should definitely get quite a nice little harvest from that. Again, we've got the Swiss chard there, the rainbow Swiss chard. There is enough seeds in there that you definitely will be getting a harvest as long as the seeds are fresh enough. And then we've got the beetroot and the radish in there as well. So yeah, on the whole, I think this is a really good little kit. The only disappointing thing was I thought this was going to be a little bit bigger, but with the seeds that you get in here, to be honest, I wouldn't put the carrots in the propagator like this. I'd put the carrots in a bucket straight away. The radish as well I would do. So really the only thing that I would probably put in here is the beetroot and the squash. But in the UK, it's not really the right time to be growing that squash. So I definitely think that this is going to be a good kit that your child will have a lot of enjoyment out of. Now, I'm not going to do any more videos about this, but my son is definitely going to be starting some of the things off in this weekend. So if you follow me on social media, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. So please follow me on there, and then we can have a look and see how this kit grows. I'm pretty impressed with it. As long as all of the seeds germinate and they're not old, I think this is definitely a winner. Let me know down below in the comments if you've got one of these, if you've already germinated seeds from this kit, or you've got one and you want to tell me all about it. Then please do let me know, and also let me know if you've got any pictures of any of this on social media, because it's really interesting to see how other people will be getting on with this kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As I said, this was a little bit different to the usual ones that I do, but I thought this could possibly be something that you might want to buy for somebody that's interested in gardening, or you are new to gardening yourself, or your children are looking for something to do over this Easter holiday, because it is the perfect thing to get little children inspired in this, and it doesn't break the bank. It's £2.99, and to be honest, if you get a harvest from these tomatoes here, you will be saving yourself, well, you'll break even on the cost of tomatoes from the supermarket. So there you go. Anyway, like I said, thank you so much for watching today's episode. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of all of my latest videos. As ever, YouTube have some videos up now on the screen that they think you'll like, so please go ahead and watch those, and I'll catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!